Teachers, have you ever wanted your students to learn how to make websites? Do you want to learn how to make sites for your classroom or just for fun? This unit was created to help students and teachers learn how to make Google Sites in a fun and engaging way. The purchase of this unit includes 11 easy-to-follow short videos that walk you step by step. You learn about adding videos, audio, links, images, and content. As the author of this unit, I've been teaching computer design since 2003. My first websites involved using Microsoft Word because that was the only tool available in my lab. Since Google Sites has evolved over time, I have chosen it as my platform and have created over 40 units that I share with the education community. Here is what you and your students will learn how to create. They will learn how to create a hypothetical zoo. Students can also use it to make a variety of sites. For example, I also made a Sweet Fortune cafe. I have artists at my cafe. Here's images of bread at my cafe, drinks, sweets, a Q&A page. I have video, contact, and a thank you page. The zoo site has a home page with an animated GIF and some content. If I go to the animals page, I have images of animals based on their animal class. You will learn how to set up images to link to pages on the site. So for example, if I click on the frog, it takes me to the amphibian page with images. It also shows how to set it up to where if you click on an image, it opens the larger image. I have a petting zoo, a cafe. Click on the desserts, it takes you to the dessert page, a Q&A page, a shopping page, a plan, and a multimedia page. If I click on audio, it shows how to set up an image that if you click on that image, it will play audio. If I go back to the multimedia page and click on video, it shows that if you click on an image, it will play a video. There are so many things you can do with Google Sites. For instance, my 8th graders create a digital portfolio. Once your students know how to make a site, they can easily put together a digital portfolio. I have my 8th graders set it up for all the way through high school. They also set up other classes for middle school. So for example, if they click on computer design, these are some of the units that they can add to their digital portfolio. I hope that you have enjoyed the possibilities of getting the unit on how to create Google Sites. I wish you all the best.